They told and taught me that there was something wrong. Never right, never beautiful, never itself. I had to look through the eyes of the look, and I learned to despise this house that houses me. I learned that I did not belong in this body. I learned to hear the daily voice of this body begging for forgiveness. Breasts that blossomed in shame, afraid of being claimed. The invasive eyes of men, they say, is a rite of passage into womanhood. Yeah, they need to look. They must look. You're woman now, and women are for looking. They're for wanting, yearning, craving, holding, grasping, touching. I learned that this body did not belong to me. As a woman, I am public property. They can touch this body. They can have this body. To have this body is to apologize for how they sexualize you. To have this body is to become it. Don't let those curves put curves in the straight path of upright men. Cover up, don't lead the man into temptation with that body. I learned that this body is a sin. I'm the sin and the sinner for using this body, for selling this body. But you're no less holy when you use this body, when you buy this body, violate this body, mutilate this body, trespass this body, lay with this body. Lay this body against its will. Silence how it feels until you hear the sound of moans above the noise of its breaking. How you stand on top of it as an act of dominion. How you enter it as an assertion of power. How you transform this body into battlefield. This body is a battlefield of wars waged between its design versus who it is, who it has had to be just to survive. How we have looked in the mirror and apologized for being woman.